Ever looked at a map and wondered what really separates an ocean from a sea or a river from a lake? They're all just big bodies of water, right? Well, not exactly. Let's dive deep and clear up the confusion once and for all. First up, let's talk about the big guys, oceans. There are 5 major oceans on Earth, like the Pacific and the Atlantic. Think of them as the planet's massive, interconnected saltwater highways. They're huge, they're deep, and they're the main event when it comes to the world's water. Everything else kind of connects back to them. Now, what about seas? Seas are also large bodies of salt water, but they're usually smaller than oceans and are often partially enclosed by land. A great example is the Mediterranean Sea. It's connected to the Atlantic Ocean, but it's mostly surrounded by Europe, Africa, and Asia, so. A simple way to remember it is, seas are like the impressive, but smaller. Saltwater cousins of the oceans, next. We have rivers. This one's a bit different. The key feature of a river is flow. It's a natural, flowing stream of water, usually fresh water, that moves across the land in a channel. Rivers like the Nile or the Amazon start from a source, like a spring or melting snow, and flow downhill, eventually emptying into a larger body of water, like a lake, a sea, or an ocean. So, if it's moving in one primary direction, you're probably looking at a river. Finally, let's talk about lakes. Unlike rivers, lakes are large bodies of water that are contained. They don't flow in one direction. Think of a lake as a basin filled with water, surrounded by land. Most lakes, like the Great Lakes in North America, contain fresh water. They can be fed by rivers. But the water itself is relatively still. A key difference from seas is that lakes are almost always landlocked and typically freshwater, while seas are saltwater and connected to an ocean. So, to recap, oceans are the vast, interconnected saltwater giants. Seas are smaller, partially landlocked saltwater bodies. Rivers are flowing freshwater channels, and lakes are still, landlocked bodies of water, usually freshwater. Now you know the real difference between these amazing water wonders. Next time you're near the water, you'll be able to tell exactly what you're looking at. Thanks for watching. And if you learned something new, don't forget to like and subscribe for more explorations.